guys, and welcome back to my channel, C Panda Crafts. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Wendy, and today I have a collective haul from Target, Walmart, and the Dollar Tree to share with you guys. I have been hauling little things here and there from these stores over the last several weeks for stocking stuffers and gifts for my family. Even my dogs, I have stocking stuffers for them. And I also have an entire collection of Frozen 2 items. I know the movie just came out. I still need to take my daughter to see it. So if you have a little one that loves Frozen, this haul is for you. So I'm going to go ahead and start with that. The first thing I hauled was this cute little tote bag, and I believe this one came from the Target Dollar Spot. I want to say this one was $3. I ripped off the tag, which is a little bit pricey. I'm sure you could probably find one at the Dollar Tree, but I have not seen one yet. I'm going to go ahead and start with the things that I found at the Dollar Tree. I thought it would be cute to put this under the tree and maybe put a cute little bow on it with all of the Frozen themed items. So that's what I plan on doing for my daughter. Okay, so the first thing is this Frozen candy cane. I'm going to say Frozen a lot. This is so cute and will look so cute in this little bag. I thought about putting it in her stocking, but I have other things for her stocking, so I decided just to do the bag. And then I have this 48-piece puzzle for her, and it says ages 6+, and she will be turning 4 here in a couple of months. So, I mean, this one might be a little bit challenging for her, but I still want to gift it to her. And then I found these little packs of candy. You get 4 little characters on there, and some of these items are going to be repeat, but I wanted to show you guys what the collection looks like and everything that I have found. I also found this cute little sandwich holder, and this will be perfect for preschool or outings. And I also found a really cute water bottle with a detachable little snack container so she can use it with or without the snacks. I found this cute little headband. I thought this was really cool. It's like a design your own little rings and gems. I think it's just rings. Yeah, design and wear little crystal rings. So I thought that was really cute. They had a Frozen nightlight also at the Dollar Tree, which is so awesome because I've been looking for a nightlight for her, but I didn't like the other ones that the Dollar Tree had, and I saw this and I snagged it. I have a 2-pack of Frozen lip balm, and these are in the flavors raspberry and blueberry. I have 2 little nail polishes in Anna and Elsa. She likes to have her nails painted, and I actually still have some left over from when we painted nails together the other day. We just did little sparkles. I found a Frozen 2 coloring book. She loves to color. Her color crayons are all over the place all the time, as well as these cute little glitter gel pens. This poster set, you color your own poster, and here is everything in it. It includes, you have some velvet posters, some glitter posters, and then it also includes some pens, some markers. This is not necessarily a Frozen item, but it just reminded me of Frozen because of the colors. These next 2 items were from the Target Dollar Spot, and they were each $3. I found this really cute sticker activity pad, and it says it has like little play scenes, and it includes 6 sticker sheets, 6 design pages, interactive play scenes, holographic sticker sheets, and 2 glitter sticker sheets. So it comes with all of this really cool stuff on the back, and they create their own scene, and it's really thick, so I think it's going to be really good quality. And then I found this surprise pack in the Target dollar spot, also for $3. And it's just a surprise pack, and you can collect all 4 characters. And it just has sticker sheets, foam characters, a poster, crayons, and a 32-page full-size coloring book. All right, so now moving on to the stocking stuffer section of this haul. I'm going to go into my son's stocking really quick, and I really hope he doesn't watch this video because sometimes he watches my videos. He was actually my first subscriber, which is really cute and sweet. But I got him this Xbox Play and Charge Kit from Walmart, and I will go ahead and put the price on the screen because I don't have the receipt in front of me. But he has an Xbox, he's older, so he needed some of these, so I thought I would put that in his stocking. This item was in my last haul, and it's just this little digital watch that looks like a Fitbit, and this is from Dollar Tree, as well as this little earbuds case with some earbuds in there. I thought this was really cool to attach to his luggage when he flies. And these next 2 items were in the electronics section of Walmart in their little, I guess, stocking stuffer bins. And I want to say these were around a little over $4 a piece. I got this little cable protector set characters. So you have like this little poop emoji and this little cool emoji, and you just put them on your charger. And I thought those were super cute, so I got those for him. I got him this little Eco Pop, what do you call these? Pop sockets that you put on your phone. And I really like this. It says that it is a 100% biodegradable package, which I thought was really neat. So you just stick this on the back of your phone and you hold it like this so that you're not putting pressure on your pinky. I think that's what it's supposed to do. And I also got him some candy from the Dollar Tree. I don't want to put too much candy in my kids' stocking stuffers, but honestly, it's what they look forward to during Christmas. So I got him a Skittles candy cane, and I believe these are a little bit cheaper at Walmart. I want to say you can pick one of these up for 98 cents, so you might find a better deal there. I got him a package of Starbursts. And these are the Fave Reds, so it's all of the best that Starburst has, in my opinion. I got him this cute little fun book of Fun Dip, and he's honestly not going to do any of this, but this kid loves Fun Dip, so I got him that. And I thought this was really funny. This is a naughty or nice candy cane game, and you spin the little... you flick the little wheel, and it's a game kind of like the Jelly Belly Jelly Bean game. And so you might get cherry flavored candy cane, or you might get an onion, or you might get a green apple or fish. This is so disgusting. Or blue raspberry or dirty socks. I'm not sure if I want to play this game because I know he's going to want us all to play. I'm looking at the ingredients, and it literally says artificially flavored blue raspberry or dirty socks. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. I wonder how they get these flavors, but it is made in China, and it is not recommended for children under 3 years of age. And I also got him one of these $1 million chocolate bars. I put one of these in his stocking every year. He loves it. Now going on to some random items from the Dollar Tree that I'm just going to divvy up between the stockings. And those are these really cute Christmas cookies. And I found them in the Christmas tree, a little gingerbread man, as well as this cute little snowman. I have no idea if these taste good or not, but they are just so cute. I couldn't pass them up. And for my stocking, and I don't buy things for my stocking, my husband usually does that, but I found a Sea Panda puzzle and I had to have it. anything with the sea panda on it, I grab it. So this will be really fun. And I love jigsaw puzzles. It's like one of the things I like to do to decompress and to relax. And I'm not going to be showing on camera what I'm putting in my husband's stocking, just because he does watch almost all of my videos to support me, which is really sweet as well. So I'm not going to put any spoilers on my channel for him, because I know he's probably waiting. He knew I was doing this video and he's probably waiting to see what I'm putting in his stocking. Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. So these next things are going into my daughter's stocking, and they are all from the Dollar Tree. And I have this really cute set, the stationery set, and it is all mermaid themed. So I have this really cute mermaid pen that I hauled a while back, as well as this mermaid tail little notebook and this mermaid scale notebook as well. And I love how this says believe on it. Is it upside down? Because you believe in the spirit or the magic of Christmas. It's so fitting, and I've actually been saving that for her stocking specifically. I found this scratch art set in the like last minute gifts, I believe it was. And they just come with this wooden scratcher, and you just scratch it off, and it's like rainbow colored, and there's 50 sheets in here. So she's gonna have a ball with that. Also, to go along with that stationery set that I just showed you guys, I found this mermaid sticker sheet, so she can create her own little scene in her notebook. I also got her a little Skittles candy cane to put in her stocking, and a mermaid shell lip gloss. This is so cute, and this is watermelon scented. And then the last item for her stocking is this really cute pocket back and an owl, and she can put this on her little backpack when she goes to school. All right, so these last items are for my dogs. I always get my dogs stocking stuffers because they're part of the family, and I just love seeing how excited they get and how rambunctious they get when they get to see the things in their stocking and play with them. These items were all from Walmart, and I again will put the price on the screen if I can find it, because I did lose the receipt. So a little backstory about my dogs. They are about 85 pounds each, and they chew through toys in 2.5 seconds. So I always have a hard time finding toys that I can get for them that will last longer than that. But my husband actually found this brand. It's called Tuffy, and it is the world's toughest soft dog toy. And it is washable, and it also squeaks and floats. So I got my boy dog this cute little, I think this is called a leopard shark. And it also, where does it squeak at? Oh, that's really hard. I'm trying to find the squeak because they love the squeak. I'm not really sure where the squeak is. I'm sure they'll find it. I'm sure he'll find it. And then for my girl dog, I got this little pig. So there's his little face, and I just thought it was so cute because it was pink. And it says on the back, it is super tough woven mesh, durable webbing, and squeaker safety pockets. So it says the squeakers are sewn into material pockets inside the toy. This additional layer of safety can give you the time you need to safely remove the toy in the event your dog reaches the core, which is what my dogs do. So that's pretty cool. I also got them these really cute ropes, and they're the largest that they had, and I love the colors on these. So I know they will enjoy these. I love these colors, the vibrant neon colors. And the next thing I got for them are these cute little holiday toys. And these are the kind that they're going to rip apart in 2.5 seconds, but it will be an awesome time for them nonetheless. But this one, they squeak, and I'm not going to squeak them. Actually, I thought about it because they'll come running. They're sleeping right now, and I'll wake them up and they'll come running to investigate, so I'm not going to squeak them. But I got this one for my dog Thor, and then this cute little unicorn one for Juno, and I think these are so cute. Look at the little Christmas lights around her. She's so cute. I got them each a pack of little tennis balls, and they again will rip these apart very fast, so I do have to watch them with toys like this. But I believe these were only 98 cents for the package. I have to double check that, but I thought that was an excellent deal. I got them each their own little treats, and they'll probably end up eating each other's treats, which is fine, but I thought it'd be really cute to put one for each of them in their stocking. So in Juno's stocking is these really cute chicken and blueberry spice waffle dog treats, and I love the packaging. I think it's so cute and adorable, and they're even in like this little waffle shape or waffle print, so I thought that was really cute for her stocking. And then for Thor's stocking, I found these really cute dino chews, and they are a healthy alternative to rawhide. I don't give my dogs rawhide, and they help with, I think they help with their teeth, and they are made with real peanut butter. Yes, it says with added vitamins, helps maintain healthy teeth and gums. But I thought these were adorable, you guys. They come in like these little dinosaur shapes. How adorable is that? And they are also grain-free. And the last couple of items are things that they needed. I needed to pick up some new nail tools for them. So I picked up this Oster Dremel, as well as this trimmer for their nails. They have really thick nails, and some of them are not clear, so I can't see the quick, so I have to use the Dremel for those nails. And the nails that are clear, where I can see the quick, I can use these. So they needed a new one of these because the one that we've had for years, and I think it's finally done and time to replace that one. So that is why I got these. All right, you guys, well, that completes this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. And if you aren't currently subscribed to my channel, I hope you would consider doing so. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family, and I hope you guys are all having an amazing December and doing lots of fun and festive things with your families. And until my next video, I hope you guys have a great week. Thanks for watching. Bye.